DVB Digital Fast.
Over 2 months after a 7.7 magnitude earthquake devastated Myanmar's Sagaing region, survivors have been slowly recovering. In many communities, efforts are just getting started. The earthquake left a path of destruction across Sagaing, Mandalay, and other hurt-hit regions. The reconstruction of damaged buildings still seems far off. In Mandalay, earthquake-damaged buildings require permits to be demolished and rebuilt. But prolonged delays in approval have forced numerous residents to live outside on the streets in temporary shelters. Many were ordered to leave the streets by the end of May. But finding a place to live is not easy when so much has been destroyed. Housing prices have surged since the quake, leaving many unable to afford to rent temporary accommodation. In southern Shan State, residents living near Inle Lake told DVB that the rain has made living in temporary shelters even more difficult. In Sagaing Region, recovery efforts are unable to begin due to the conflict. Residents in the quake zone have faced airstrikes and artillery shelling. In resistance-controlled areas of Sagaing, rebuilding means more than homes. It also means security. Bomb shelters and bunkers are now part of everyday life for many survivors. From March 28 to May 28, 4,492 people have died due to the earthquake, and 11,366 have been injured, according to DVB data. During the regime's temporary ceasefire for earthquake relief, over 650 airstrikes and artillery attacks were recorded. At least 550 people have been killed, and over 1,100 have been injured since March 28. With the monsoon season starting early, survivors in Sagaing face more uncertainty. Recovery remains a distant dream for those struggling to rebuild their lives since the devastating March earthquake. For DVB English News, I'm Nora.